Welcome to Session 39, the midterm exam. This is your halfway checkpoint, a full simulated section covering everything from weeks 1 through 12. In this video, we'll review the format and scoring, walk through one representative problem from each domain, and lock in a test day game plan. Treat this as the real thing. No notes, one question at a time, and afterward, study every explanation. The math section is 2 modules, each 35 minutes with 22 questions. Module 2 adapts to how you did on Module 1, so a strong first module unlocks the higher score range. That's 44 questions in 70 minutes. And remember, there's no penalty for a wrong answer, so never leave a blank. Your score comes from all 4 domains, but algebra and advanced math together are about 70%, so they carry the most weight. Here's a rough scoring guide. 40 or more correct lands you near the top, and the curve is forgiving in the middle. Aim for a pace of about 1 minute, 35 seconds per question. Let's walk through one problem per domain. First, algebra. Where do the lines y equals 2x plus 3 and y equals negative x plus 9 meet? Set them equal. 3x equals 6, so x is 2. Now, advanced math, exponential growth. A population triples every 4 hours, starting at 200. 12 hours is 3 periods, so multiply by 3 cubed. 200 times 27 is 5,400. Data analysis. A best fit line predicts weight from height. Y equals 0.8 times x minus 60. For a height of 175, that's 0.8 times 175 minus 60, which is 80 kilograms. And geometry with trig. In a right triangle with a leg of 6 and a hypotenuse of 10, the sine of the angle opposite the 6 is 6 over 10, which simplifies to 3/5. Here's the game plan. Take 2 passes, grab every clear question first. If you're stuck after about a minute, flag it and move on. Never leave a blank, since there's no penalty. Save your last 3 minutes for flagged questions. And the most important step comes after the test. Study every single wrong answer, because that's where the learning happens. Your turn, midterm style. In triangle XYZ, angle X is 55, and angle Y is 70. Find the exterior angle at Z. Pause and use the exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle equals the sum of the 2 non-adjacent interior angles, so just add 55 and 70. That's 125 degrees. No need to find the interior angle at Z first. Let's recap Session 39. The midterm is 44 questions in 70 minutes across 2 adaptive modules, with no penalty for guessing. Algebra and advanced math carry about 70% of the score. Pace yourself at roughly 1 minute 35 seconds per question. And the single most valuable step is afterward. Study every wrong answer. That's exactly what we'll do next in the midterm debrief.